Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2019 Ford Escape. This is the newer style. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out to change the bulb or to remove the assembly. So what you want to do is open the hatch. This is in for collision work. Once you open the hatch, you'll see there's a little bolt in there. And that is either a
torque 20,
a regular head or a torque, maybe a 20 roughly.
It's got a blade screwdriver head on it also, so anyone can take it off with a quarter.
Alright, so that's where your screw is. Once you get that screw out, it's a matter of wiggling because there's studs in here and grommets, that it goes into, little sockets. And basically what you have to do is really wiggle it from this end and then hit it with the hand this way. Pull it. You can see there it is. So on this one, we don't actually hit it that way.
We pop it out.
We pop this one out. So we're going to put that back just to show you. Usually 99% of them you have to hit back that way. So we're going to wiggle it. Go ahead. And then pull it.
Pops out.
So that was easier. Pretty easy. The ones with the slide are very difficult. You got to hit them hard. This one pops away from the quarter panel. And then that's it. So if you want to change a bulb, you get in there.
These are hard.
These are LEDs.
They're hard.
Does this have a bulb or is it an LED?
I'm not sure. Probably an LED.
Let's see.
I guess it's an LED. The bulb.
Alright, so it does have a bulb.
And some.
Usually if it's LED, you have to replace the whole assembly.
Yeah.
But since it does have a
Some
bulb,
of them it has one bulb you can replace.
you twist that out. There you go, a little tool, a little something, pliers. And then you pull it out like a Christmas tree light and replace the bulb. You can just, when you pull the bulb out, there's a little number on the bottom of the bulb. And you could order it by number from your local supply house. It's very difficult to see on this. Or you could call them and tell them to make it, there it is right there. You could tell them the make and model, the gray area on the bulb, make and model of the vehicle and what the application is for turn signal or stoplight. And they will supply it for you. Only a couple dollars.
Not even.
Put it back together and bada bing, you're set. And that's how it's done. This is a video on the fly because this is a working shop. So I hope this helped. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Take care. Joe Beermaster.